Hello! Continue to share the maintenance of hugyi today. Spring is the peak growing season for hugyi. It is necessary to supplement him with sufficient nutrition during this period. Of course, it's better if you have a dedicated fertilizer. But in the absence of this professional fertilizer, you can also make some nutritious water yourself. It doesn't matter if it's after flowering. It can be used before flowering. If you prune the clams that are out of bloom. And what about these incisions? You can apply it with cinnamon powder. Prevent wound infection. Next, prepare 3 spoonfuls of rice. Add a liter of water. Prepare another small tomato. Slice. Then put it in the juicer. Add water. Fully broken. Break it and filter it. Filter the previous rice washing water again. Add to this tomato juice. Find this cotton pad and absorb the juice. Wrap the bud point on the pedicel. You can also wipe it with this juice. Leaves of Phalaenopsis. Look at these leaves, they're varnish. The feeling is very healthy. You can still use this water every month. Come and water the roots once. One to 2 weeks, you can use this water to spray Phalaenopsis once. Take a look after using it for a while. This breaking state change. The whole thing has a flower kingdom, then the root system is also more developed. Take a look at the bud point of the previously wrapped painting stem. Also send planting paper. And that's what I want to talk to you about today. Thank you for watching. Interested friends can add a follow. You are also welcome to communicate in the comment area. See you in the next video.